All right. Ooh, this reminds me of a chest that a dummy would come in, right? Like one of those mannequin dummies or something. Wow, look at all this. Wow. You know, if I look close enough, I'll see a ring I want. Like that one. Walk away, Kim. Walk away. I like those
I was hoping it
stars.
folded up. I was hoping it folded up.
Oh, look at this. That's cute. That's an idea for those paddles I have. My mom had a cart like this. Oh, I am a drowned rat. How many of you had these to play with? Oh my goodness, it is miserable out. Ooh, look at these. Pretty. Ooh. Now you know it. See, stop looking at jewelry. Ooh, pretty. Oh, I think I have one just like that. Oh my goodness. I'm so wet, the water's running down my hair. What is that? Mr. Machine. Tell me in the comments if you recognize that. Tools. I was wondering when I'd come across some tools. Yeah, a lot of people are just packing up because it's just so miserable out. Keep looking. Ooh. How fun is that? Oh, I don't need that. I don't need that. I want it, but I don't need it. Oh, these are close to what we had in front of the door that I used to stub my toe on all the time. Hope you guys can hear me because I can't really talk that much louder. People already think I'm crazy. Look at these. Those are safe, I'm sure. Oh my goodness, check this out, you guys. Look at it. That is crazy. And it's made out of like, feels like gauze that's almost sprayed with something to harden it. Let's see what else we got. Spooky rabbit. All right, what do we got over? Oh, sock monkeys. Lots and lots and lots of sock monkeys over there. Oh. All right, let's go to the other building across the way. Let's see what we got. Now that's funny. Somebody's got a sense of humor. That's awesome.
It's cute.
Floating the decoy ducks in the mud puddle. Well, at least you can see how much rain we've had. All right, let's go in this building. Oh, yeah. All right, let's see what we got going on in here.
Now you got me going back to grade school.
All right, here we go. Here's a crochet.
Yeah, like you're starting to spur some like
Oh man,
memories of some bad.
deep.
Like a bad.
You guys behaving?
Yeah, well, no, it's his fault. He's got dirty lemons.
Right under it. Oh my goodness, I had every one of these. That is something. Look at this. Oh my goodness, every one of them. How cute is that? That is
Yeah.
amazing.
Usually he doesn't come.
I hugged this thing forever. That's awesome.
Really? Ronald McDonald?
Yeah, for who knows?
Yeah. We got a Bert and Ernie.
Is Ernie in there? Oh. You're awesome. Oh, more jewelry. Nope, stay away from the jewelry. Stay away from the jewelry. Someone going back to the cart. Wait. I don't want to miss it. Well, I can do one side and then come back to the other. Oh, I think this is that glass you guys were talking about. Is this that glass you guys were talking about? That glows under the light? I think it might be. My thumb's getting cold. All right, let's keep going here. Beautiful plates. If I only had the room, I would have stored all that stuff from Mom. Well, that's a pretty rug. A lot of work went into that. Did you make it?
No,
No?
but it's $5.
That's cool. I can't, but it's cool as heck. Well, check this out. That's fun. Hat pins. A teddy bear. Oh, there's that head. If that was $5, it'd be in my arm right now. 25's a bit crazy though. I don't know what I'd do with her, but I'd find a spot. Caught me talking to myself?
No, that's okay. You get the best answers that way.
And I usually
And plus
don't.
You can look at your phone on there and ask a question.
Exactly. And usually I don't fight with myself, usually.
Wonderful.
Oh, my first concert ever, Air Supply. I was looking for some old crafting books in here, and I don't see any. Look it. I had this whole set. Love it. People don't see the phone, they think I'm talking to myself, which just makes it fun at this point. Lots of woodwork. I wonder what this is. Turn. Oh, is that a? Oh, it's a. So you turn it and butter. Oh, you can't even see it. Right there. It's to churn. It says to turn it into turn the dough into a ball. That's a little terrifying. That's a little terrifying. Wonder if that's supposed to. Look at that. They made a Ferris wheel out of an old tire. That's pretty neat. All right. Oh, Tony Stewart. Yeah. Oh, he was very young then. I'm not talking to myself, I promise. Well, I sort of am.
You sort of are, but we don't count that.
Sort of. I kind of am. Now that's a beer I could use. Sorry. That is absolutely a beer I could use. Ooh, some nice purses. What are these? Stickers. Can you see them? Yes, you can. Oh, look at the old-fashioned books. What a pretty idea. It's so nice. Man, I'm freezing. My nose is cold. Oh, more jewelry. Stay away from the oh, that's cool. Can you see that owl? That's really cool. Hummingbird. Okay. Wow, beautiful rings.
Good. Yeah. You don't these? Yeah. Cookies too?
Purple.
No.
Oh, check it out. We went through a phase when I was in about 10th grade of pins. Lapel pins. We'd wear them all the time. Okay, everybody. Seinfeld fans. Pez dispenser. Although there's not a Tweety bird in there. Makes me think of my stepdad. Used to get him a pipe every year. Ooh, Kansas. Foreigner.
No, yes, and the guy
Nice.
that bought him even said he's
Oreo Speedwagon. Wow. Great stuff. Great stuff. All right, let's go back. I see some stuffed animals.
Mad super special.
Check them out.
Yeah.
They're creepy but cool. Cool. Ooh, he's terrifying. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I can't feel my nose. Oh, what do we got going in here? What do we got going in here? Old telephones, indoor outdoor speakers. Look at the old telephones. Oh, that frog's adorable. You see him tucked in there? What is this?
45 on that doll head.
I don't even know what that is.
It looks like real human hair.
Sometimes they did use that. That's all for big.
Oh, look at that
expensive
little teeny
dolls.
bed.
Pretty cool. Cool stuff.
Little kid's bed. All right, where am I going? Oh, it looks like the rain's letting up a little bit. So we go in this one. Oh yeah, that's the one where the ducks were. Let's go over here. Tell you what, that smells good. Gonna try not to eat that, but who knows how good I'll be. All right, let's go over here. This is the best treasure hunt ever. All right. Guys would know what that is. I don't know what that is. Huh. Talking to myself, sort of. It's okay. Golden pins. Ooh, an old cappuccino machine. Now this is awesome. That's really cool. I'm walking right under the drips because I'm a dope. Love that hat. Love that hat. I wouldn't wear it, but I love it. I bet you that would look good on my mannequin. Hello. Lovely, lovely day.
Flowers are really.
Gonna love it. They're gonna love it. About the only things that are gonna love it. Whew.
To sell, so whatever you like to eat.
All right, thank you. I might have to buy just something just so you guys can hear me dicker with somebody. The Complete Craftsman. All right, back into the mud puddle and under the drifts. That's how I roll. Whoa. Oh, check these out. I have a friend who would love these. Wow. Then there's that. Wow. Oh, all sorts of cool
I know.
instruments, piccolos, and yeah, there really is. Check these out. Ooh. Try to stay out of the drips. All right, what do we got here? I'm going to stop and start.